How do you think Chat GPT-3 will affect crypto? For those who don't know, Chat GPT-3 is basically this new AI from OpenAI. That's basically the closest thing we've gotten to artificial general intelligence. It basically can think like a human. It's able to go out there and basically pass the MCAT, pass the bar test. It's pretty incredible AI. How do you think this is going to affect crypto? Are you bullish on crypto? Are you bearish on crypto? Or you don't know? For me, I would say, quite frankly, we're bullish on this because we've been working with GPT-3 for the last over 1 year with a data science team. If you go to any token on Token Metrics, if you go to investor page, summary, down below we have automated investment reports powered by GPT-3. And we're working on having this for all the different grades and all the different subgrades. So hopefully by next quarter, we'll have this for technology grade, valuation grade, and fundamental grade. But I think it's pretty cool that we can take our data, give it to GPT-3, and have it basically give us a summary on what the data says in a manner a human can read. For me, I think this is kind of pretty crazy how smart the AI is getting. This kind of begs the question, what happens when AIs become smarter than humans in terms of ethics and all that? But definitely very bullish for crypto. I know some people have already begun working on trading strategies using AI. Quants have kind of been doing this for a while, but I think having this kind of AI is pretty mind-boggling. First, any thoughts on ChatGPT 3? Are you using it?
Yeah, I think this is the first thing that's actually come through that people have made people realize what the average person realize what AI is actually capable of. People can actually go to Chat GPT, type in stuff, and they're like, their minds are blown. It's kind of like, people finally revealing like what the internet was capable of or what crypto was capable of. This is like that next big jump in technology, and it's starting to go mainstream. My prediction, however, is I think it's going to be really, really important to be paying attention and doing research and having access to research in the next market cycle, because I think AI is going to become a narrative, and you're going to see a lot of coins and a lot of projects pop up that claim to be AI based or AI projects. And I think 99% of them are going to be, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of work and a lot of funding to get to where OpenAI is today. And next cycle, you're going to see coins that are going to be doing, 2 or 3 X's based on the fact that they have AI in their name, right? So those are, to me, there's going to be a lot of landmines, and that's where it's going to be really important to have, access to premium research, access to joining in live stream, paying attention to what's actually, a decent project versus getting burned on something that just, says that they're AI based and actually isn't. But I do think we will get an AI crypto narrative next cycle.
That does make a lot of sense. So actually, I saw today on Twitter that OpenAI is fundraising at a $29 billion valuation, which is pretty fast. The co-founder is Sam Altman, former partner at Y Combinator. Then Elon Musk is also an early co-founder or part of the team. He kind of seems to be in every big company that's raising a whole bunch of money, SpaceX as well. So our vision has always been to kind of merge data and AI for crypto. We've also been working on a Q&A bot, which we quite aren't ready yet to put out there. But it's kind of similar to a Chat GPT-3 using our own data, because we think that's kind of where the puck is going from a data perspective and AI perspective. Being able to interact with an AI, I think Chat GPT-3 is kind of taking this whole concept now mainstream. So imagine being able to have a Chat GPT-3 for crypto and ask any kind of question. So imagine the same questions you ask us on an AMA, having an AI answer those questions based on data. That's kind of where we're trying to go with gathering as many data points as possible, and then building really an abstraction or an interface that a non-technical person can leverage to get insights with that data.